All right, so here we are, Resto Mods 25, with our seat covers and Purple Power concentrate and water mixed together. And the ones we pulled off the Ranger, not new. We're trying to clean them before we end up buying new ones if we have to. But as you can see, this is a very dark brown liquid. Now, at the start of this, it was purple. It is now dark brown. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these out of here, set them up on these ramps, and power wash it just to see if we can actually clean them, if they're salvageable or not. All right, so we're going to pull these out now. I'm scared. I got gloves on. There's a very foul smell coming from this. It's not strong. Oh my goodness. So just right off the bat, it's been soaking for 24 hours. Still got all this. Oh, its grime's actually coming off, surprisingly. These things.
So this might be a very good solution, but what really we're worried about is mostly the cloth, the fabric. You can see the difference in the staining on the right there on the seat. So we're going to crank up the pressure washer and see what we can do. If it starts coming out, if it doesn't, then hey, it's worth a try. But we'll let you know. You will see an after picture, whether it works or not.
You'll see something.
Stay tuned. Back with Resto 25 Mods. As you can see, surprisingly, the seat came, I would say, 75% clean. Clean enough that we're going to go ahead and do the other components. This is part number 2. So, like I said, it worked. So if you got a really nasty seat, I know it's a pain in the tail to pull the seat covers off your seats, but this thing was really dirty because it was used as a work truck, and it had work truck dirt and grime all over it. We basically used a gallon of Purple Power concentrate and filled that big tote up about halfway. So I'd probably say maybe 15 gallons of water, 10 to 15 gallons of water. Soaked it 24 hours, took the pressure washer, no soap in the pressure washer, just the Purple Power. And as you can see, this was where all that black was. And I mean, literally, you know, it's a little darker, but as you can see, it did clean them. And so I say this is a success. We got 3 more little small pieces that are the cleanest parts to do in this process. And just don't forget, like and subscribe, click the notification bell button, comment. We'd love to hear your comments of what we're doing here. Like I said, we're going to try our best as parts come in, things we get to do, weather related. This is something we had to do outside, so we had to wait for a nice day here in North Carolina. So, like I said, like and subscribe, click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing what we do next.